We just sold it.
Oh, okay. I got 6 pound beads. They said 1 bead at a time. Okay.
They gave me 1 set at 1
Nah, they gave me 6 sets. They said give us 1. I'm supposed to see some titties.
Oh, yeah.
I got 6 of them. I get to see 6 sets. Have you seen any action today already or no?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Last night, it was crazy. It was so much fun. There was actually a truck that blew up.
For real?
It was nuts. Okay. I don't know what side I'm on.
She said a truck blew up.
Yeah, well, it caught on fire and it was like...
At nighttime?
Yeah, it was crazy.
People jumping in that water right now? That's a slide. It looked like a slide.
I wouldn't at all. No.
She said I wouldn't.